To complete the R sound sort, we will begin by opening it from the menu screen. It is marked as Wednesday, Phonics, R sound sort. Click to open. Once inside, you have 3 columns, ER, IR, and UR, We also have a lot of words. Every one of these words makes the sound, but we need to sort them into the correct boxes. ER, IR, UR. You will need 3 colors to complete this activity, just like with our Ys. I'm going to use red. I'm going to use purple. I think I'll do green today. The first word, shirt. Shirt. Has the sound, but I noticed that it has the IR sound. IR I marked as purple, so I'm going to use purple to color it in. Curve, curve has the sound. This word has the UR sound. So I'm going to color it green so that I know it goes in the UR box. The last word, dinner. Dinner has the sound. This word has the ER sound. I'm going to mark it as red so that I know it goes in the ER box. You'll do the same for the rest of the words here in our box. You do not have to write them here in the boxes up top because you already colored them down here. Be sure you use 3 different colors to help you. Once you're done, you can click the Done button and it will come to me to grade.